Hello and welcome to the show. Yes, sorry. Hi there, welcome back. It's another day with the Ferrari, and Mark is here again. Yes. Today we are going to remove the seats.
Yes.
The front and the passenger seat, because we don't have any back seat. Those three wise men. And every part of the interior that I want to refurbish. How do we call it? Just clean, etc. While the car is away. So this is the time to get it out and see what's underneath the chairs, the seats, because I never have taken them out. Sorry. So well, let's get started. Okay, we got the first chair out. This one over here, yes. And we discovered that they're just 4 bolts, easy as it may seem. It was how do you call it? Torx, not Torx. Inbus. Well, we got 2 bolts on that chair over there that are messed up, so they're not coming out. And the problem is, the only thing I can think of right now is to drill them out or make a cut in them and use a screwdriver. But the risk we have is that we damage the fabric. So well, not an easy job again, as always, but we're gonna figure out a way. Temperamente. Temperamente?
Nee, certamente.
Certamente. What does that mean?
Zeker.
Zeker. Ah, certamente. For sure. Wow. 4 hours, 1 bolt. Oh. I think I need to invest in some more tools. So, the seats are out. That's the good part. But we spent 4 hours getting 1 bolt free. And that was because the position of the bolt, we had to be very careful. We couldn't use the normal tools I use when a bolt doesn't want to come. Because you don't want to damage more leather than there already is. That's quite difficult. But I'm sitting on them. Here they are. Yes, can you see it? Wait. Click. Now you're on the opposite side. Yes. These 2 chairs are from my Ferrari. Yes. And what we're going to do about this, they look quite okay. Not bad. Just some wear. Normal wear, quite normal wear, like this. So I think most parts can be cleaned and painted. Here we have a bigger issue. Somebody has thrown a cigarette in the car at some point of its history. And also here, this is the biggest damage. It's now getting also a little bit, because I didn't use the car, and what you see now is the leather is quite good. It's getting a little bit needs some TLC. And if you look closely, I don't know how you call this in English, but this one is gone and this one is still there, although damaged. And here both are still in. Overall, I think the seats look okay. I think you cannot see it really clear, but this one is damaged, so maybe I can find a used one to replace it, but that will be a future project, I think. And also I have to think about the rails. Wait 1 second again. Here we are again. Yes. The rails are just old. They are in reasonable shape, but maybe I will take them off and have them painted. But I think you will not see this. And well, this doesn't look okay, but it's still functional. So I don't know at this point if I'm gonna do something about it, because this project is costing me way too much money already. The back, this is the fun part of a Ferrari. We did not find any money in the car. Oh, we're not gonna do that. But this one, have a close look, needs some... Oh, I'm so sorry guys and girls, this is better. See, this needs one, this is bad. It will need some TLC. But let's get to the car. As I said, no money. I'm gonna attach the seat belts back in the original place, because I think it's better to keep them attached. But yeah, what can I say? It looks quite okay. You can say nothing about this. Only this screw right here. This is the devil himself. Can you see it? Oh, well, that doesn't work. Well, this screw is our enemy, and we have to defeat it. But that's the Italian way. The way it's attached to the body of the car makes it almost impossible to drill it out without any damage. So I have to find a way, but that will solve it. We'll solve it. So for now, the seats are going into storage because I wanted them out. The fabric that's left, I'm going to seal it with plastic. Then it will be protected during paint. I'm going to have to clean the steering wheel again because there is a little bit of fungus on the steering wheel. I never seen that before. I don't know why that is. Damn, that looks good. But I don't know why it is. Maybe you have any idea how this will, how come this happens? How do you say it? I don't understand it. But maybe you have some tricks. I can do something about it. And also, what I have to have a closer look at. These are the carpets, and if you look closely, they are, well, not in the best shape. And also these are the carpets I was all the time looking at, but these are the original carpets, so they look okay. So I think I'm gonna keep this setup while this one protect the original one. So wait, we're gonna turn around again. Here we are. Yes, I did it again. Oh, magic. So, well, we didn't do as much as I thought I was going to do, but the good thing is this is the final parts of the car that's going off, because most parts are getting on now. For example, have a look here. The headlight system is back on. Overall, the front end is almost finished. Electric is almost finished. The engine is waiting for us. Yeah, let's see. I hope the virus isn't going to cause any more troubles in the planning. And then next summer maybe. I don't know. Let's hope. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Please like, subscribe, spread the word, and I'll see you again later. Goodbye.